Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to convert linear equations from slope-intercept form into standard form. This is a key skill for working with systems of equations and understanding different ways to represent lines. First, let's look at the difference between the two. On the left, we have slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. This is great for graphing because it shows us the slope and y-intercept immediately. On the right is standard form, ax plus by equals c. In this form, we strictly use integers, meaning no fractions or decimals, and the first number, a, must always be positive. To make this conversion, we follow three simple steps. First, if there are any fractions, we eliminate them by multiplying the entire equation by the denominator. Second, we move the x term to the left side so that x and y are together. And third, we ensure the x term is positive. If it is negative, we multiply everything by -1. Let's start with a simple example. Y equals 3x minus 5. Our goal is to get x and y on the same side. Since the 3x is currently on the right, we subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. This gives us negative 3x plus y equals -5. However, remember the rule that a must be positive. Since we have a -3, we multiply the entire equation by -1. This flips every sign, giving us our final answer, 3x minus y equals 5. Now let's try one with fractions, which is very common. Here we have y equals 2/3 x plus 4. Standard form cannot have fractions, so our first priority is to clear that denominator. The denominator is 3, so we multiply every single term in the equation by 3. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 2/3 x becomes just 2x, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now we have a nice clean equation, 3y equals 2x plus 12. Next, we need to move the x term. We subtract 2x from both sides, getting -2x plus 3y equals 12. Finally, since our x term is negative, we multiply everything by -1 to fix the signs. The result is 2x minus 3y equals -12. Let's look at a trickier one with a negative slope. Y equals -3/5 x minus 1. Again, we see a fraction with a denominator of 5. So, we start by multiplying every term by 5 to clear it out. Multiplying by 5 gives us 5y equals -3x minus 5. Now, we add 3x to both sides to move it to the left. This gives us 3x plus 5y equals -5. Notice that the 3 is already positive, so we are done. No extra sign flipping needed. To summarize, just remember this checklist. 1. Clear any fractions immediately. 2. Rearrange the terms so x and y are on the left. And 3. Make sure the coefficient of x is positive. If you follow these rules, you will get the correct standard form every time. Thanks for watching. I hope this cleared up how to convert linear equations. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow math tutorials.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.